What if you could launch a complete health and fitness website without spending weeks creating content, hiring a designer, or learning how to code? And what if that website already came loaded with thousands of pieces of content, AI-powered diet and workout plans, lead capture tools, a built-in store, and multiple ways to monetize it? Well, that's exactly what ViralVault AI is designed to do. In this video, I'm going to show you what ViralVault AI actually is, how it works, what you get inside, the different ways you can monetize it, the pricing, and most importantly, whether I think it's worth considering. And stick around until the end because I'll also show you how you can get 6 exclusive bonuses from me when you grab ViralVault AI through my link. But before we jump in, if you find this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming software reviews. Alright, let's get started. Today we're taking a closer look at ViralVault AI, a platform designed to help you launch preloaded health and fitness websites with AI-powered tools and ready-made content. And as I mentioned, if you decide to get ViralVault AI through my link, I'm also including 6 exclusive bonuses to help you with the marketing side of your new website. Here's what you'll get. Bonus number 1, email marketing. Mastery guide bonus number 2, social media content. Pack bonus number 3, list building. Profit bonus number 4, digital marketing video. Course bonus number 5, AI marketing video course. And finally, bonus number 6, top 20 AI tools bundle 2026. So that's 6 bonuses that I'll be adding on top of ViralVault AI. Now let's take a closer look at the actual software.
ViralVault AI, and everything you are about to see is the real product, recorded in one take. We start by logging in. Here is the dashboard. Your sites, your leads, your sales, and your plan, all in one place. Let's build a brand new website from scratch. First, choose a niche. Each one arrives with its own content library already loaded, so you are never staring at an empty site. We'll take gym and strength. Next, the design. Every theme renders the same content, which means switching later changes the look without touching a single word. Then you choose the sections your page launches with: a hero, your video library, calculators, an AI plan generator, pricing, and more. Only sections that suit your niche are ever offered. Give it a handle. This becomes your live web address, and you can point your own domain at it whenever you're ready. One review, one click. Your subdomain is reserved, the video library is loaded, the theme is applied, and your editable draft is built in seconds. And here is the editor. Every section is listed on the left with a live preview beside it. Click any block to rewrite the copy, swap the image, reorder it, or hide it completely. You type, and the preview updates as you go. No code, no theme files, nothing to rebuild. Happy with it? Publish. That is the entire deployment step. No hosting to configure, no build to run, no server to manage. And this is the result: a real, published site with a full video library, working calculators, and an AI plan generator, live at your own address. Every visitor gets the same premium experience on any device. Then there is the management side: analytics showing who visits and what they watch. A leads inbox that collects every email you capture. A blog to publish articles that rank. Programs to package your training plans. Digital products sold through your own PayPal, with every order tracked for you. Exit pop-ups, affiliate promotions, your own custom domain, and a one-tap installable app. Every one of these is built in. Nothing to buy, nothing to plug in, nothing extra to pay for. Pick a niche, pick a theme, load your content, publish. That is a complete health and fitness business. Live in under a minute with ViralVault AI.
Pricing. Now let's talk about pricing. At the time of this review, ViralVault AI is being offered at a $17 one-time launch. Price. The sales page states that the regular pricing is expected to return to $97 per month. After the launch pricing period, there is also a 30-day money-back guarantee, according to the sales page. So if you're interested, I would definitely check the current price through the link below, because launch pricing and availability can change. If you want to check out ViralVault AI for yourself, I've put my link in the description below this video. And if you use my link, make sure you also claim my 6 exclusive bonuses: Email Marketing Mastery Guide, Social Media Content Pack, List Building Profit, Digital Marketing Video Course, AI Marketing Video Course, and the Top 20 AI Tools Bundle 2026. So check the link in the description. Review the current offer and pricing for yourself. And if ViralVault AI fits your goals, you can grab it from there. Just remember that pricing and promotional offers can change, so check the current details before purchasing.